Alright, here are the results. These were the results from shallow learning between 84.2 and 85.9. And this is for deep learning. This is for deep learning. Okay? You see, except for the glove pre-trained model, which only gives you 54%, the others are slightly better compared to shallow learning. You would have thought that an LSTM, which is quite a complex model, would have scored better than, I would say, a dense neural network. Because LSTM is a type of a recurrent neural net where the dense neural net is not. But there's an explanation for that, because an LSTM doesn't add enough value in this type of problem of sentiment analysis. Because sentiment analysis depends on sentiment-bearing words and finding these words in a text. And whether this word is at the beginning or at the end, it doesn't matter. So the word is there or is not there. So the sequence doesn't really matter. And that's why a dense neural net still can score better than an LSTM, for example. Yeah? LSTM or recurrent neural nets are better for anything that has to do with Q&A, automated Q&A, or translation, language translation, where there's much more emphasis on the sequence of the data. Alright, now I also have to say that in these four here we have to deal with a lot of overfitting. Now there's a lot of overfitting, and we'll see a bit later how we will tackle this. But for now, we just take a look at the accuracy.